Lesson: Addressing Bias in AI Systems. Addressing bias in AI systems is a critical component in the ethical and legal aspects of AI operations. Bias in AI can lead to unfair outcomes, perpetuate stereotypes, and result in non-compliance with legal standards, thus posing significant challenges for AI professionals. The goal is to ensure that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable. This lesson will delve into actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement to address bias effectively. Bias in AI systems often arises from the data used to train these models. Data can reflect human biases, whether they stem from historical injustices, societal stereotypes, or skewed representation. For instance, if an AI model is trained predominantly on data from a specific demographic, it may not perform well for underrepresented groups, leading to biased outcomes. A well-cited example is the facial recognition systems that have been found to have higher error rates for individuals with darker skin tones due to biased training datasets. Therefore, to mitigate data bias, professionals should focus on collecting diverse and representative datasets. Tools like IBM's AI Fairness 360 can be instrumental in this regard. This toolkit provides metrics to check for bias and algorithms to mitigate it, thereby helping developers to evaluate and improve the fairness of their models. Beyond data bias, algorithmic bias can also occur when the design of an AI system inadvertently favors certain outcomes over others. To address this, AI practitioners can employ fairness-aware algorithms. These algorithms are designed to incorporate fairness constraints during the model training process. For example, the Fairness Constraints Framework allows developers to specify fairness conditions that the model must satisfy, thereby reducing unfair bias. Implementing such frameworks requires a deep understanding of the societal and ethical implications of AI decisions, emphasizing the need for interdisciplinary collaboration in AI development teams. Transparency is another crucial aspect of addressing bias. AI systems, particularly those based on deep learning, are often criticized for being black boxes with decisions that are difficult to interpret. Interpretability tools such as LIME can help demystify AI decisions by providing human-understandable explanations for model predictions. By using such tools, AI professionals can better understand how their models are making decisions and identify potential biases in the decision-making process. Furthermore, a robust framework for addressing bias in AI systems must include regular auditing and monitoring. AI models should be continuously evaluated to ensure they remain fair and unbiased over time. This is particularly important as models are deployed in dynamic environments where data distributions can shift. Frameworks like Model Card Toolkit by Google provide a structured approach to documenting model details, including fairness evaluations, which can be used for ongoing audits. Regular audits not only help in maintaining the integrity of AI systems, but also ensure compliance with legal and ethical standards. Another practical strategy is to foster a culture of ethical AI use within organizations. This involves training AI practitioners not only in technical skills, but also in ethical reasoning and bias awareness. AI ethics guidelines, such as those provided by the European Commission, offer a comprehensive set of principles that can be integrated into AI development and deployment processes. By instilling a strong ethical foundation, organizations can empower their teams to proactively identify and address bias in AI systems. Engagement with diverse stakeholders is also essential in the fight against bias in AI. Involving individuals from varied backgrounds in the development and testing phases can provide critical insights into potential biases and their impacts. For example, participatory design approaches that involve end users can highlight biases that developers might overlook. This collaborative approach ensures that AI systems are designed with inclusivity in mind, ultimately leading to more equitable outcomes. In summary, addressing bias in AI systems requires a multifaceted approach, combining diverse data collection, fairness-aware algorithms, transparency tools, regular audits, ethical training, and stakeholder engagement. Each of these components plays a vital role in ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable. By leveraging practical tools and frameworks like IBM's AI Fairness 360, LIME, and the Model Card Toolkit, AI professionals can systematically identify and mitigate bias, leading to more trustworthy and equitable AI systems. As AI continues to permeate various aspects of society, such rigorous approaches to bias mitigation will be indispensable in fostering ethical and legal AI operations.